Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Clover app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Clover app, or just click on search. Then here at Clover app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then you come to next step here, click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage this here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Clover-Period app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.